This video shows how to install the HP software and driver for your USB-connected printer in Windows 10. Turn on the printer. Open a web browser and go to www.support.hp.com. Click the Software and Drivers tab. Type your printer model in the text field, then click Find My Product. Click to select your printer from the list of results. Make sure the printer identified your correct operating system. If your operating system is not correct, click Edit. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu. Then click Update. Under Driver Product Installation Software, click the Download button next to Full Feature Software and Driver. If the HP Software and Driver Downloads window displays, select Use HP Download and Install Assistant. Then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to save and install the driver to your computer. When you are prompted to choose a connection type, select the USB option, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printer Support.